Hi everybody. That was swell.
Good morning everybody, and we are at Volcano Bay. Look at this. Well, that's a lie, no. We're at Cabana Bay looking over Volcano Bay. So this is it for today for us. We're going to be checking out Cabana Bay today. This is actually a very sad day for us because this is the day before we fly out. So we fly home tomorrow. Never mind. Onwards and upwards. All we can do is book another vacation when we get home. So, look at my lovely made bed. This is just our room at the minute, look. This is so much better, and I'm going to be controversial here, but this is so much better than our Valley Resort at football. So this is so much better than our Valley Resort at Disney. You know, it really is just so nice. It's so light, airy, it's sort of high ceilings as well. You get a real feel of space in here, so really chuffed with it. So yeah, we'll be heading off now. Bye Volcano.
Ta-ra, ta-ra.
So we're currently on the 8th of November today, and look at all these Christmas decorations, look. Hey. It's Christmas here at Hollywood Studios, guys. Look at this. This is Christmas. So even the cast members got Christmas ears on. We've got just Christmas decorations coming across the back here. We've got Christmas decorations here. It is beautiful. So we're going to be at the first holding area now, and this is when we open up the park in the morning. They open up the oh yeah, there's a big Christmas tree over there. But what they do is they open up the park about 20 minutes early, quarter of an hour early, but they then hold you down on Hollywood Boulevard until 9 o'clock. That's when the park officially opens. Smell coffee. Want a coffee?
I want a coffee.
Tower of Terror. I can't wait for that tonight. I'm hoping that they light that up like Toy Story. But we've also, look at these Christmas decorations. So there's such a Christmas feel all around this park, even on like these side stands.
Ages away, but I feel like it's tomorrow.
Feel like Christmas is tomorrow, do you?
Yeah, it's like, it should be ages away. It is ages away. But now I just have this horrible urge to buy Christmas presents.
Why is it horrible?
Because it's like, oh, panic!
So we're going to check out Rock and Rollercoaster first. There's such a big crowd of people rushing here. But we're going to check it out and go and have some fun. So there we have, we've just rode the Rock and Rollercoaster coaster, and directly behind you, hey Les, so directly behind you, that is where you access Fantasmic. One of the first times we came to Florida, we actually didn't do Fantasmic because we couldn't find it.
I think you come in here as well and get Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah, coming here for Beauty and the Beast, 11, 1, 2, 4 and 5. And that's all right on here. It shows you the show times as well.
Oh,
so there's only one showing of Fantasmic, that's 8:30.
I really hope that we get to see the Beauty and the Beast one today, because we've not done that.
Yeah, we'll go and see them at 11 or 1, yeah? So here we have the Christmas tree at the centre of Hollywood Studios, which is really cool. And up the top here, look, he's wearing a Christmas hat, but you can only just see it. And he's got a bauble hanging out of his mouth as well.
But check out these!
Yeah, check out these. Now
I bet
these,
they light up as well, look. So you see the lines running through.
see the lines running through, so I think these light up as well.
Oh, lovely.
But even the top of the...
Yeah.
Even the top of them have Christmas decks on. There's Christmas decorations here. Everywhere you look, there's just Christmas decorations. It's fantastic. Oh look, Squiggle's burying his food that Lelly's just given him. He's coming back for some more, I think. Look. He's a little bit unsure.
I had to drop it because he was like looking at my other fingers. I wasn't 100% sure if he was going to have my finger or not.
But it's cool. He's just literally taken some food from Lelly. He'll eat half of it and then he goes and buries half of it in the sand. So there we are. He's trying to do it so we can't see. There we are. So he's now going to bury it in the sand. He's right in there. And he's patting it down, look at that.
Oh, he's so cute,
So just over there is the exit area for Indiana Jones. And as you walk round, you'll come into the Coca-Cola Backlock Express quick service dining area. And we have just ordered, well, I've gone for the beef burger and pulled beef or pulled pork with fries and a drink. And Lelly's gone for, what have you got, Les?
Chicken nuggets and chips.
Chicken nuggets and chips. It's actually really nice and really tasty. But also there's some great selection of sauces. You can get your knives and forks from the machine down at the side. You can also get blue cheese, real mayonnaise, sweet relish, mustard, ketchup, ranch sauce. It's really nice. And the refill machine doesn't have a chip in the bottom of the cup, so you can just go ahead and refill as much as you like. So we're going to check out the wonderful,
awesome
Indiana Jones. Thank you very much.
Unbelievably heavy. And not a lot, it takes 20 guys to hold up there.
Yeah, I mean, I'll tell you, obviously the other 18 guys called in sick today.
We have literally just come out of Indiana Jones from the other exit, but look, they're queuing up to go back in again, and the queue is huge.
Queues don't lie.
Yeah, that's our motto, queues don't lie. So, don't be fooled by the fact that this is one of Hollywood Studios' older attractions. It is still a brilliant attraction. It still makes you go wow when all of them explosions go off. What's your favourite part?
I like it when the plane chews up the guy.
Yeah. and he falls, he gets chewed up. And also I love the fact that when they jump off the building, because that's not fake, you are jumping off. So yeah, so it's really busy here today. We're just outside 50s prime time, which is just about 100 yards in front of Indiana Jones, just behind the boat. So we're going to try and find out what we're going to do next.
We're hoping to see if we can get in at the Beauty and the Beast show, because we haven't done that yet.
We've never done it before.
No.
Let's go and try it out.
Okay.
And we made it. Beauty and the Beast.
Where are we going to sit?
Wow. Oh, it's so hot, but I'm not complaining, but I am. I need that on more. The size, it looks like a helicopter up there. It's really big.
There goes a baker with his tray like always, the same old bread and rolls to sell. Every morning just the same, since the morning that they came to this poor provincial town.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, monsieur.
Where are you off to?
Oh, the bookshop. I just finished reading the most wonderful story. It's about a beanstalk and an ogre.
That's nice. Marie, the baguettes. Hurry up.
Look, there she goes. The girl is so peculiar. There's something sweet and almost kind, but he was mean and he was coarse and unrefined, and now he's dear and so mature. I wonder why I didn't see it there before. Huh?
Well. Beauty and the Beast was brilliant. The singing in it, it's just awesome.
It's really, really good.
If we were to have one criticism, Beast could have a better roar.
Yeah.
It's a bit like,
I suppose I don't want to frighten the children.
Anyway, so...
And Gaston should have real muscles.
Yeah, one of his muscles had fell over. So he flexed his muscles and one of them was like a bingo wing. It was a bingo wing really, wasn't it? So
But it is really good.
that is Beauty and the Beast, which is right next to Phantasmic, which is right behind Hollywood Tower of Terror.
And
so
right next to Hollywood Scoops ice cream.
yes, oh yes, what do you reckon that is?
Oh, look at my little Olaf, look. Isn't he lovely?
Do you like Olaf?
I love Olaf. I don't want to eat him.
I don't want to eat you, Mom. But we got Olaf from Hollywood Scoops ice cream just over there somewhere.
Yeah.
So it's all the Christmas decorations.
He's starting to melt, look.
Yeah. Get himself in a muddle.
And I'll be a lovely, happy snowman. Right, a seat somewhere to eat.
It is absolutely boiling. It's 29 degrees Celsius. It's the 8th of November. You know what, I'm not complaining at all. But we have just been to this place, Starbucks, in the Hollywood Studios. And guess what I've got? Take a guess. Yeah. Strawberry refresher. It is the best drink you could ever buy in a hot country. Who wants hot coffee? Well, funny enough, Les has got that actually. Inside the Starbucks, they do actually have free water in there on the left and right hand side as you walk through the main door. They do specify that you do not fill up using your resort mugs. They give you these really tiny cups and you can't even stand up, so you don't use a lot of water. Les, what have you got?
I threw it, didn't I? Because I've got a hot cappuccino.
Yeah, and I just said on the video, who has a hot cappuccino?
I know. I fancied a hot one.
Right, let's go.
Hey, Kermie. Please.